welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Charisse, and today we're going to make a vegan cranberry sauce. So now, girl, here's the thing. A lot of cranberry sauces are accidentally vegan because the thing that thickens it up is that natural pectin from the cranberries. But I like to try to avoid the high fructose corn syrup, and I gotta admit, let me just give a shout out to my sister-in-law Melissa, because when she made her first like homemade cranberry sauce for I think it was a Thanksgiving. Yeah, she made that and I was like, girl, cranberry sauce game changer, because I didn't like that shit before. Now, oh. So I took a bag of fresh cranberries, about 12 ounces, and I just put them in a strainer and I rinsed them and made sure that, you know, there weren't any squishy bits in there and that they're nice and rinsed, and then got rid of the extra water. So to that, we're going to add half of a cup of water. Now this is a medium saucepan. And then we're also going to add half a cup of maple syrup. And we have our, we have our stove on medium high, and we're gonna mix this together. And once this starts boiling, we're gonna turn our temperature down to about medium low and let it hang out, stirring occasionally for about 6 to 8 minutes. So here's my favorite part. Just listen to them pop. And while you're listening to them pop, you know what? Go ahead and pop that subscribe button and a little bell notification. It's like popcorn. It's so fun. So now that it's nice and thickened and all those cranberries pop, you can see it's like all the natural pectin from those cranberries is what helped thicken it up. So now that we've taken it off the heat, we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon right on in there. And then we're also going to add a zest and juice from 1 whole orange in there. We're gonna mix this up. And then I like to add another little, like, I don't know, a tablespoonful of the syrup, just to give it a little extra sweetness, because I like my cranberry sauce a little bit sweeter than the tart cranberry, so that helps balance it out. And we're gonna transfer this to a bowl because, I don't know about you, but I like my cranberry sauce nice and cold, not hot. So we're just gonna put this in this here, and you can see that beautiful color. And I'm gonna store this in the fridge. So this is another like make-ahead dish, which is why I like making my own. And you know, it's super fun and easy. And then I've got some fun things planned for this cranberry beauty. You guys, look at this cranberry sauce. Okay, so I'm actually just doing, it makes like double this, but I already used some of this. So make sure you guys subscribe because you don't want to miss. I'm going to make little appetizers. Excuse me, I burped already, girl. I'm gonna make little appetizers using this that we can serve for Thanksgiving, or we can just use it when we have leftover cranberry sauce, because who we kidding, bitch? You know that shit's always left over. So let's just give it a little taste, skadoodles. Mmm. Mmm. You get like a pop of cinnamon, and then it like comes in with that orange flavor and gets all like sweet, and then bam, it's like you get all that tartness from the cranberries, and that's like the taste that lingers. Oh girl, the tart, I can't get over it. Cranberry sauce is so good. If you didn't like cranberry sauce, try this baby out. And as per usual, full written recipe will be linked below, midnightmunchiesandmore.com. You guys, make sure you go to my PayPal. Every dollar helps to make these recipes, because I test and test and test and make sure they're perfect for you guys. So again, my PayPal will be linked below as well, midnightmunchiesandmore@yahoo.com. Thank you for joining me, and I'm going to catch you next time.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love, listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.